Okay, trying to make something that will clean the toilets well. I got something, obviously I have these tools like everyone else does to clean the rim on the toilet. But I've had some troubles flushing the toilet lately, so I wanted to be able to create something a tool that would go inside the toilet channel, the trap, and clean that too. So what I got is I bought myself a auger, toilet auger from Ace Hardware. I installed a adjustable clamp on it that's going to be used to hold this device. This I think of as a scrubber. What I do is this scrubber has Velcro installed on one side here and a Velcro snap on the other. And what I do is I put it around the spring area that goes into the toilet, and then I fasten it. This is not going to hold it inside the toilet, so I got to put this adjustable clamp on it. Loosen it up a little bit. Some more. I want to shove this inside the clamp. Clamp to hold the accessory for this auger on there tight. That's right. Slide it up a bit, and then I tighten it. Now that I've gotten it tightened, I'm going to put it in there. You see, it's not gonna come off. So put it inside there. Start turning the auger. You can see all the stuff that comes out of it. This toilet is working, but you can see all the debris that's inside of the thing. Just keep turning it. Gotta flush it to get a clear view of it. Pull it out so it'll flush. Put it back in. shove it up there. Keep shoving it. I'll pull it out. Yeah, put it a little bit more. See, unfortunately, it slipped. Right now I have this pad, these are sewed together, so here and here and here. It's still moving a little bit, but it's obvious that it's cleaning the inside, so. Show you this pad once again. I don't know if maybe I can put another clamp on there, or kind of like the way it is. It seems to work as it is, so. But that's what I've been working on, so. Now I'll flush it again and see if there's a difference. It's got to be cleaner in there with all that crap that came out. And that's it for now.